Hey, check this out, man. I got a problem with my iPhone. I need some help. I mean, I don't know what the fuck happened to the motherfucker. Like, my speaker is kind of distorted. I hope somebody can help me. You know what I'm saying? Like, for instance, I can show you that my volume is all the way up. Damn, I can't even flip the goddamn screen. Alright, look. My volume is all the way up. And when you play on speaker, it sounds distorted, like it's real low. The volume supposed to be loud in there. I don't know what the fuck happened to the motherfucker, man. He ain't never been dropped in no water or nothing. I wish somebody can help me or give me a solution. Who can help me out with this? I mean, shit, you can kick me, Bmoneysolo, Bmoneysolo. You know what I'm saying? Or man, give me comments on this shit, man. I need some fucking help, man. This shit is bothering me, like, seriously. Like, it's so fucking low. Ain't nothing. I mean, the headphones work fine. I ain't never dropped in no water. I tried to reset it. It still ain't working. It's like distorted a little bit. You, man, this motherfucker low. Volume all the way up. Somebody please help me with this issue.